Before you begin any of the following assessments, you want to make sure that you start with a 5 to 10 minute aerobic warm-up. For the Canadian trunk forward flexion test, this tests your hamstring and your lower back flexibility. First, you want to remove your shoes, sit with your feet flat against the box. As you reach forward, you want to exhale. You hold for 2 seconds, do not lead with one hand, and ensure that your knees are not bent. This is scored in centimeters. You want to repeat the assessment and take the best of 2 scores while subtracting 3 from each value. For the YMCA sit and reach test, you want to remove your shoes, place a yardstick on the floor with the strip of tape on 15-inch mark, and place your feet on the tape edge 10 to 12 inches apart. As you reach forward, you want to exhale. Make sure that your fingers must touch the yardstick. Hold for 2 seconds and do not lead with one hand. Sure, your knees are not bent. This is scored in inches. You want to repeat the assessment and take the best of both scores. For the sit and reach test, it's designed for the older populations. The chair is to be 17 inches in height and against the wall. Shoes can remain on. You want to extend one leg with the ankle dorsiflex while keeping the untested leg flat on the floor. Keep the head in a normal alignment and exhale when reaching forward. You want to hold for 2 seconds. Scoring is based in inches. If there's space between your big toe and your fingertips, it's a negative. If your fingers go past your big toe, it's positive. If you're just touching your toes, it's scored as 0. For the Thomas test, you're testing your hip flexor flexibility. You want to lay supine and you want to bring your leg to your chest. If your leg remains in contact with the mat, your hip flexors of that leg are flexible. This is scored as flexible or inflexible. After you do one leg, you want to make sure that you switch to the opposite leg. For my test scores, I was classified as excellent along with being flexible in both legs.